Multiply 4.18 by 3.7 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Put 6 in this column and carry 5. 7 times 1 plus the carried 5 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 7 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 29. The first partial product is 2,926. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 8 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 3 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 5. 3 times 4 is 12. The second partial product is 12,540. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 2 plus 4 is 6. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 15,466. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 15,466 becomes 15.466. So 4.18 times 3.7 is 15.466.